guys, in the last video I explained all the parts of the equation and the key points to remember. Now I'm going to show you an example, which is y equals to negative 3 plus 2 squared plus 2. So by looking at the equation you can tell that the parabola is going to be face downwards. So the negative is indicating that it's going to be facing downwards, and the 3 is that it's going to be stretched by the factor of 3. Also, by looking at the h value and the x value, you can also indicate the vertex, and it's going to be negative 2, 2. This is because the h is a positive 2, so as mentioned in the earlier video, if it's a positive, it's going to be automatically turned into a negative 2, which is the opposite, and the k value stays the same. So if you're going to graph this, it would look something like this. It would be heading downwards, and if the a value was a positive 3, then it would be maybe like upward facing parabola. So as I mentioned earlier, the vertex is negative 2, 2, and so we can start by first plotting the point, which is this one, which is x value is 2, negative 2, and the y value is 2. So that would be our first point. And now you may be wondering why or how we can find the other points of the equation, but that's where the step pattern comes into play. The step pattern is what helps you find out the other points in the parabola, and in order to create the rest of the graph, which is here already, but I'll show you how to do it. To use this, you'll need to learn about the step pattern. To begin with, the basic step pattern uses the equation y equals to x squared. This is because, okay, I'll show you in this. So as shown here, the step pattern is equal to x squared. So this basically means if it's over 1, which is here, over 1, up 1. Over 2, up 4. Over 3, it's up 9. So it continues basically like that. And now we're going to use the example to create our own thing for our own equation up here. Now we have to make the step pattern for our equation. So instead of over 1, up 1, it'll be the value of x multiplied, which is x, multiplied by the a value, or in this case, negative 3. So 1 times negative 3 would be negative 3, which would be going down. So the next point would be 1 across and 3 down. So the next point would be at negative, that is negative 1, 1. And then the next point would be over 2, which is over 2 times negative 3, which just means 2 multiplied by negative 3, which would be negative 6. So over 2 down 6 would be equal to negative 4. And then you do the exact opposite to this side. So over 1 down 3, over 2 down 6. And that's basically how you do the graph and plot the points. So that's how you graph a graph using the vertex form. Thanks for listening. Bye.